Here's the 2019 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle has a clean Carfax with no accidents. It's also a certified pre-owned, so it gets a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. The tires are in great condition. They're Continental tires. This vehicle also comes with remote start. You push this button twice on the key fob, it will start it right up. Make our way around. I'll show you the back. Trips with family or friends, no problem. You have plenty of room in the Jeep Renegade. I'll show you the back seats. Very clean. You can see this vehicle's been well cared for. On to one of my favorite features, the advanced keyless entry. You can walk up and push this button to lock it or unlock it for quick and easy access to the gorgeous interior of the Jeep Renegade. I'm going to hop on in and show you some of the neat interior features. And now we're inside the Jeep Renegade. You can see over here, this is where you can set the automatic headlights. You can make phone calls just by the push of a button. You do have a push button start over here. If you put your foot on the brake and push this button, it'll start right up. We got a nice vivid LCD color touchscreen over here. When I go into reverse, the backup camera pops up immediately with these nice color-coded grid lines and the red line to let you know if you've gone too far. It's a great feature to have. Also, if your phone's low on battery, you do have an available USB port down below to charge it back up. And that is the 2019 Jeep Renegade. Thanks so much, and let's take it for a spin. At David Taylor Ellisville, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, the fastest growing Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram store in St. Louis, Missouri. Every vehicle has been sanitized for your safety. Come see us at 15502 Manchester Road in Ellisville, Missouri. Our store hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 to 8, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 6. And you can reach us at 636-200-3299.